Welcome to this guided meditation for forgiveness. We are unity of consciousness where we help you to achieve personal and spiritual growth. Today, we will embark on a journey to release the burdens of past hurts and cultivate a heart filled with compassion and peace. Forgiveness is not about condoning the actions of others, but about freeing ourselves from the chains of resentment and anger. It allows us to move forward, lighter and more centered, embracing a life of emotional freedom and inner peace. Forgiveness is not forgetting. It is moving forward and taking care about ourselves. Before we begin, find a comfortable and quiet place where you won't be disturbed. Sit in a relaxed position, either on a chair with your feet flat on the ground or cross-legged on a cushion. Rest your hands gently on your lap and close your eyes. Take a deep breath in, hold it for a moment, and then slowly exhale. Allow your body to relax and your mind to become calm and focused. Let go of any lingering thoughts or tension, and open yourself up to the present moment. We start by understanding what forgiveness truly is and why it matters. Forgiveness is the conscious decision to release feelings of resentment or vengeance toward a person or group who has harmed you, regardless of whether they actually deserve your forgiveness. It's important because holding on to grudges and anger can negatively affect your physical and mental health, keeping you trapped in a cycle of pain and suffering and in a perpetuating past-time event. As we delve deeper, ask yourself, why do we forgive? We forgive to heal ourselves, to reclaim our inner peace and to move forward with a lighter heart. Forgiveness is not for the benefit of the person who wronged us, but for our own well-being. Next, let's become forgivingly fit. Just like physical fitness, forgiveness is a skill that can be developed with practice. Start by addressing your inner pain. Acknowledge the hurt and pain caused by the actions of others. It's important to face these emotions honestly and allow yourself to feel them fully before you can begin to let them go. Now, develop a forgiving mind through empathy. Try to see the situation from the perspective of the person who hurt you. This doesn't mean justifying their actions, but understanding that everyone has their own struggles and reasons for behaving the way they do. Empathy can help you find compassion and begin the process of forgiveness. As you continue this journey, find meaning in your suffering. Reflect on what this experience has taught you and how it has helped you grow. Often, our greatest challenges can lead to our most profound personal growth. When forgiveness feels hard, call upon other strengths within you. Lean on your resilience, patience, and love for yourself. Remember, forgiveness is a process and it's okay to take your time. You should be proud of yourself for taking these steps. Well done. An important step is to forgive yourself. We are often our own harshest critics. Acknowledge any mistakes you've made. Understand that you are human, and extend the same compassion and forgiveness to yourself that you would to others. This will open your mind to be respectful of yourself. Develop a forgiving heart by practicing compassion and kindness in your daily life. Let go of grudges and choose to respond with calmness and love instead of anger. This will help you cultivate a more peaceful and forgiving state of mind. It is more beneficial to you again to live in a complete state of peace and see many things in a more logical way. At the end of the day, people who hurt us usually might have a storm inside them that is not connected to our behavior or our very existence. As we bring this meditation to a close, take a moment to sit in stillness, absorbing the feelings of forgiveness and compassion that have arisen. Know that this sense of forgiveness is always within you, ready to be accessed whenever you need it. Take a moment to feel gratitude for yourself and for this opportunity to cultivate and nurture forgiveness from the heart. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, slowly open your eyes. Whenever you feel overwhelmed or burdened by past hurts, return to your breath and affirmations to recenter yourself. Consider incorporating regular meditation practices into your daily routine to continue with your love, kindness, gratitude and the now presence. Nurture forgiveness and let go. Thank you for joining me in this guided meditation for forgiveness. If you found this meditation helpful, consider incorporating it into your daily routine to continue building your life empowered with love, kindness and gratitude, and your capacity for forgiveness and compassion. Remember that forgiveness is a practice that can enrich your life and the lives of those around you. Together, let's spread loving kindness and gratitude and make the world a better place. This guided meditation is designed to help you cultivate forgiveness towards yourself and others, ultimately leading to greater personal happiness and improved relationships. By practicing regularly, you can develop a more compassionate and open heart, enhancing your overall well-being. May you continue to cultivate and nurture forgiveness, kindness, and inner peace in your life. You have the power to create a life filled with love and compassion. Embrace